We wear red so they don't see us bleed. $100 bills under our sleeve. We intend not to sleep till we're dead. Drink our problems right out of our heads. Sing it up. Oh, trouble, trouble. Sing it up. Oh, here comes trouble. Dangerously having the time of our lives. These boys are just poisonous thorns in our sides, starting fires wherever we go, watching them gamble everything they own. Sing it up. Oh, trouble, trouble, trouble coming in the dead of night. Trouble making everything alright. It's in your blood, it's in your bones. You cannot sleep for, you cannot sleep for. There are dogs on the loose, there are snakes in the desert. I'm that knife in your boot, girl, I gotcha. I'm your number 2 man in a fight. We are revolutionaries tonight. Sing it up. Oh, trouble, trouble, trouble coming in the dead of night. Trouble making everything alright. It's in your blood, it's in your bones. You cannot sleep for, you cannot sleep for. Trouble coming in the dead of night. Trouble making everything alright. It's in your blood, it's in your bones. You cannot sleep for, you cannot sleep for.
Game.
Game na po.
Naka-on na ba yan?
Ewan ko, paano ba to? Naka-on na po to? Hello, hello. That's my...
Ito yung mic, hindi yan. Ito yung mic ko.
Ano, bago na?
Game na. Kinakausap mo battery.
Game! Okay na po? Netflix. Happy birthday, Iya!
Happy birthday, Iya! We love you! I've been searching for this moment.
Happy birthday, Yayay. Wish ko lang mag-aral ka mabuti matapos mo yung pag-aaral mo. At maging mabait palagi. Yun lang. Salamat.
I've been searching for this moment. Running free, I'll find my...
Masasabi ko lang na napaka-bless ko nung naging anak ko si Iya kasi napakabait at masunurin at talagang ano siya sa kanyang pag-aaral. Wala kang masasabi kasi nag-akyat siya ng maraming achievement, awards pagdating sa pag-aaral.
This time I'll do it on my own. This time I know I'll find my way.
Dalagang-dalaga ka na, be. Gusto ko lang sabihin or ipaalala sa'yo na huwag kang makakalimot magpasalamat sa Panginoon sa lahat ng mga blessings na tinatanggap mo sa araw-araw. Maliit man o malaking bagay, lalong-lalo na sa buhay na ipinagkaloob sa'yo. Love yourself unconditionally. Know your worth and have confidence in who you are.
myself in the unknown.
Birthday, naiiyak ako. Ano ba yan? Wala na akong maiwiwi sa'yo. Nasabi na nila lahat. Ang masasabi ko lang sa'yo, alam ko mabait kang bata. Ano man ang marating mo sa buhay mo, huwag kang manatili ka lang na nasa baba. Alam ko mabait ka. Huwag mong kalilimutan mga taong tumulong sa'yo. Naiiyak ako.
This time I know I'll find my way. This time I know I'll find my way. This time I know I'll find my way.
Sabihin ko lang sa'yo, nandito lang ako palagi. Nandito kami ni Kuya, ni Ate, and ni Mama para sa'yo. Lahat ng kailangan mo, magtutulungan natin. Okay? Happy birthday! I love you!
Basta ituloy mo lang kung ano yung ginagawa mo. Maging positive ka lang palagi. Huwag kang panghihinaan ng loob. At kung ano yung gusto mo gawin sa buhay, mga pangarap mo, ituloy mo yan.
Nothing's gonna hold me back. This time I know I'll find.
I will support you, guide you, and love you unconditionally. You are precious to me. And I am proud of the individuals you are becoming. Keep on shining. I love you so much, anak. Happy 18th birthday. Enjoy the night. It's all yours.